Hi everyone, it's Leah from Shanghai. We are the manufacturer of folding chairs for over 19 years. Today I will introduce you this folding chair. It has a deep seat. So when you sit on the chair, you will feel more comfortable. And here the armrest is bamboo. So it looks more luxury and very flat. And the factory is 600 Oxford factory with double line, and so it's very durable. And you can see the frame is aluminum with the luxury anodized. So it's a very luxury furniture. Okay, I will show you when person sit on the chair. Yeah, when you sit on the chair, your whole body can get the relax and comfortable. Okay, when you fold on the chair, you will get a compact small folded size, easy to take and story. Okay, so if you want to get more information about this chair, just contact us. Thanks, bye.